The WNBA coaching landscape is undergoing significant changes as two franchises make notable moves to bolster their leadership for the upcoming season. The Atlanta Dream and the Indiana Fever have made key hires in an effort to revitalize their teams and position themselves for future success. The Atlanta Dream have made a splash by hiring Karl Smesko as their new head coach. Smesko, who spent the last 2 decades building Florida Gulf Coast University (FGCU) into a powerhouse in women's college basketball, has now made the leap to the professional ranks. Under Smesko's leadership, FGCU enjoyed tremendous success, including several NCAA tournament appearances and numerous Atlantic Sun Conference championships. His up-tempo, high-scoring style of play will likely have a significant influence on the Dream, who have been in a rebuilding phase in recent seasons. Smesko's hiring is seen as a major coup for Atlanta, given his reputation for developing talent and his ability to get the most out of his players. His philosophy of fast-paced, aggressive basketball aligns with the Dream's existing roster of athletic and dynamic players, and he could be the key to unlocking their potential. The Dream have struggled to maintain consistency in recent seasons, but with Smesko at the helm, they hope to turn the corner and become a playoff contender once again. Meanwhile, the Indiana Fever have made their own significant move by hiring Stephanie White as their new head coach. White, a former standout player and assistant coach in the WNBA, brings a wealth of experience to the role. She had previously served as the head coach at Vanderbilt University and has been an assistant with both the Chicago Sky and the Connecticut Sun in the WNBA. White's coaching style is known for its emphasis on discipline, player development, and building a strong team culture. In her previous stints, White gained a reputation for her ability to develop young talent, which will be crucial for the Fever as they continue their rebuild. The team is in a similar position to the Dream, having struggled in recent seasons. However, White's experience and leadership could be exactly what the Fever need to break through and become competitive once again. White's hiring is seen as a long-term investment in the growth and development of the franchise. Both the Dream and the Fever are at pivotal points in their histories. With these new coaching hires, they are signaling their commitment to returning to contention and reshaping their teams for future success. Fans and analysts alike will be watching closely to see how these coaching changes impact the teams in the upcoming WNBA season.